Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Stemplot problems look intimidating, but you can solve them in seconds by analyzing the data points and evaluating the statistical properties to find the true statement. First, observe the extremes. Math prices range from 0.2 to 28, while science prices range from 0.3 to 24. This immediately invalidates options A, B, and E. Boom! With 26 values, the median sits between the 13th and 14th. Math's IQR is smaller because its values are tightly clustered in the tens, unlike the spread-out science data points. Finally, look at the medians. Math has many values in the tens, while science has a higher concentration in the tens and 20s, making the math median clearly lower. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Don't ignore visuals or use symmetry. Always check all data and calculate the quartiles instead.